Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third and last puzzle. The third and last puzzle. In additional, not in today's newspaper on Thursday, January the 11th, 2024. No, in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the Wednesday edition. Wednesday, January the 10th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the 2 stars Sudoku. So one puzzle is left, the Jigsaw Sudoku, a.k.a. Tectonic. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. Alright. And this one will be number, let me pull this up, okay, will be 7783. Okay, let me zoom this. 7783. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 17 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one is also indicated with 1 star, and for a 1-star puzzle I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We'll see if this is really a 1-star puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box or boxes is always a 1. I see only one single box. Single box, always a 1. Do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, can't see any dual boxes. I see a couple of triple boxes. Here triple box, there triple box, contains the 1, the 2 and the 3. Well, the 1 is already given, so the 2 and the 3 are left. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Here also a triple box, contains the 1, the 2 and 3. Well, this box can be a 2, so 2 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, this is the middle box of the triple box. The box near the middle box is always 4 or a5. 4 or a5. Well, I cannot place the 4 here because we have already a 4 in the same area. So this box should be a 5. Same for the other side of the triple box. 4 or a5. We have a 4 in the same area, so it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. Alright. Next question. Do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, the 3 and the 4. Well, I see only one quadra box. The 1 is already given, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Well, my next strategy is to look for shapes, for figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, we have here the Z construction. Let me draw the Z construction here. When you see the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box is the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. The Z construction, in this case, it's a 2 here. Alright. Do we have more Z constructions? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box is the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Oh, overlook this Z or S construction. Well, overlooked. well, this Z or S construction, if you flip this, you will get the Z. If you mirror this or flip this, you will get the S. It's the same figure or shape. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. Alright, the Z or the S construction. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Yeah, let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember, this box has the same number as that box. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. You have more of these kind of shapes? Let me check. No, only one. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Alright, when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here we have another one. This box has the same number as that box. Okay, here another one. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting. Filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. Those 2 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Then let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here. Then 2 numbers left in this area from this 1 and the 3. Let me mark those 1 and 3, 1 and 3. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here or there, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here then. Alright. And now, let me see. This box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. Well. This box can be 5. That box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Let me think. Yeah. Come on. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well. I need to think. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. And it's connected with that box, so 3 and a 4. So I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes at there. So 2 numbers left here for the numbers 3 and a 4. Okay. Okay, and now. Let me. Oh, 4, 3, and a 4. We have a 4 here, so it can be 4 anymore. This box should be a 3. Is connected with that box should be also a 3. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4, and 1 digit left in this Z construction for number 4. Alright. This box can be a 3, so the 3 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this triple box for number 1. We have a double 3 there. That means that this box can be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 1. Okay. 2 numbers left in this area from us. 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. Okay. 2 and a 3. Alright. That means this box can be 2 or a 3. The 2 and a 3. We have a double 2 there, double 3 there. So the 2 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So if I eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. 2 and a 3. We have a 3 there. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier. The 2, we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box is connected with that box. Should be also 2. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this S construction for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Okay. Then these 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 3 because, oh, of course, it's connected with each other. This one should be also a 3. Alright. Then these 2. Oh, this box is also connected with each other, so this should be a 2. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 5, because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. This box can be a 4, so the 4 goes together with the 5 as a pair. So, and this box is connected with that box. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, so it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. Is connected with that box, should be also 5. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 should be here. 1 box left in this area for number 2. And 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so the 1 goes together with the 4 as a pair. And this box is connected with that box, should be so 4 and 1. Here we have 2 missing numbers in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then let me see. Well, this box can be a 4, so the 4 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Okay, these 3 boxes. Surround the 4 can be a 4. Those 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. Then 4 and a 1. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. This should be a 1. And is connected with that box. Should be also 1. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Alright. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. Let me mark those. Here, two numbers. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. And these two boxes can be a 1, and that box can be a 1. So one box left for the 1 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. One digit left in this area for number 3. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 2 there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the 2 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 3, so one box left for the 3 in this quarter box should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. Finished in 60 minutes. Wow. Not faster than 50 minutes. Maybe I talked too much in the beginning. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow on Friday, last working day. New puzzles, new newspaper, new puzzles. So until then, bye bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Thursday.